How to authenticate your custom domain in Mailerlite. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can authenticate your custom domain in Mailerlite. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Mailerlite website on your laptop or PC. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, you have to click on account settings, then click on domains. After that, you have to click on authenticate. Now, in order to authenticate your domain, what you have to do is just open your hosting provider website. In my case, it is Bluehost. Over here, you have to click on domains, then click on advanced 2. After that, click on manage, then click on continue. Over here, you have to click on add record. Now here you have to add two records. One is CNAME and the other is TXT. Now in the host name of CNAME record you have to put dkim name, and in alias 2 you have to put dkim value and click on add. Similarly, in the value section of TXT record you have to put SPF value and click on add. After that, move back to the domain page of Mailerlite. Then click on authenticate. Then click on DNS record and your domain will be authenticated. So that's how you can authenticate your custom domain in Mailerlite. That's all for this video.